This tutorial we are going to create measurement sheet here in Excel. This sheet is very important in order to find out the quantities. So let's get started. Now I have opened here the Excel. You can see this is a blank workbook and I'll start right from this cell. And the first cell in the measurement sheet will be serial number. And next we need to add here the description. What description? And next to it we need to add here the numbers. So we will use this sheet, no problem. Right now you need to follow how I am creating this sheet, and if you are beginner, definitely you need to practice this sheet. And if you have already idea regarding the measurement sheet, or you can create the measurement sheet, you can move forward or you can move to the next lecture as well, no problem. So and then next to it we need to add here the length and the unit as well. So it could be meter, it could be feet. So I'll write here what meter, because our project is in MK system. Then we need to go for the breadth, and again the units as well. Start the bracket, and it is what meter. Next to it we need to go for the height or the depth as well. First of all we need to find out excavation quantity. So for excavation definitely we need length, we need breadth and depth as well, not the height. So depth, and it is also meter. Then while finding, let's suppose the concrete work, if we need the height we can change here as well, no problem. And next to it we have what length, breadth, depth, and at last we need total quantity over here, quantity. Next to it what we need to do is we need to go here and add one more column regarding total quantity. Total quantity column will be here, and then at last we have remarks if we have any. So this is how we can create this one. Next let me select this one, double click over here in order to expand according to this text. Next what I'll do, I'll select all of this and I'll create a border over here. So this is basically the working space under which I'll work under this sheet. So I'll right click, I'll go into format cell, and then I'll go here in the border, I'll put here outline and inside, and I'll press OK. So if you are also beginner in the Excel training is also here in this course, you can attend first that particular training. Now next to it at the top I'll choose any kind of color from here, and bottom as well, like this. And next you can go here and merge this one, and here as well you can merge this and the bottom as well. Why I'm merging this I'll let you know about, no problem, and this as well. So first of all you need to give here contractor name, okay. And next to it we have project name, and at this end we have client and the consultant name, client name, and then consultant name. So you can put here the contractor name, it could be XYZ, and then project name ABC according to your, and client again XYZ, and again the consultant name XYZ. Okay, so this is how you can prepare this one. At last all you need to do is you need to give here an insert, Control plus Z, and I want to insert over here like this, and I'll merge this one, and I'll put here which kind of work you are just finding over here. Let's suppose it is excavation, so you can give here the heading as excavation for what foundation like this. And again I'll go here format cell, and I'll choose the outline over here, yes, press OK again. So this is how we can prepare this sheet. At the end all we need to do is we need to put one formula over here in order to find out the total quantity. First of all I'll merge all of these cells, and I'll write here total quantity, or you can write only the total. And then in order to find out the total quantity over here, sum, start the bracket, and to choose the range from here. because we will have the individual quantity over here. Let's suppose if in your case you have different foundations like F1, F2, F3, so their individual quantity will be mentioned over here. So you need to find out the total quantity. Sorry, it is under remarks, and I'll unmerge this one. Sorry for this. It is only up till this position. Total quantity will be over here equal to sum, start the bracket, and then choose this range. This is what I'm talking about, and close this one, because we will have the individual quantity over here for F1 over here, F2 over here, F3 over here, and at last we need to find out the total quantity under this one. Okay, so this is how we can create what the management sheet here in Excel. We can give the name to this as well, excavation for foundation, and at last you need to save this one.